Most people think success comes from one big lucky break or a single major decision, but the real truth is much simpler. People don't fail because they aren't talented or strong. They fail because they let small bad habits take over their daily lives. Hitting snooze, scrolling on your phone for hours, or always saying, "I'll start tomorrow," might seem harmless, but over time, these small choices quietly steal your confidence, break your discipline, and kill your dreams. Everyone wants a better life, more peace, success, and respect. But most people ignore the power of small daily changes. They want fast results but refuse to fix their daily routine. What actually changes your life isn't one big moment. It's simply doing the right small things every single day. Because the little choices you make today will slowly build the life you want tomorrow. This is the story of a girl named Emma. Emma belonged to a simple family. She was not very intelligent, not rich, and she did not have any special talent. In fact, the people around her believed she would never do anything big in life. She often fell behind in studies, forgot things easily, and started tasks but never finished them. Her room was always messy. She had no proper sleep schedule, and she spent all day on social media comparing herself to other people's success and feeling less important. Every night, Emma promised herself that tomorrow would be different. But every morning, she woke up as the same tired, lazy, and distracted girl again. One day, Emma met a woman in an old library. The woman saw sadness on Emma's face and asked, "Why are you so worried?" Emma replied, "Because my life is not changing. I try to improve myself, but nothing works." The woman smiled and gave Emma an empty diary. Emma asked in surprise, "How can a diary change my life?" The woman said, "Big success does not come from big actions. It comes from the small habits repeated every day." Emma did not completely believe her, but she took the diary home. On the first page, something simple was written: "Become just 1% better every day." Emma thought it was a joke. 1% felt like nothing, but she knew her current lifestyle was destroying her. So instead of making huge goals, she started with very small steps. The next morning, she woke up just 10 minutes earlier. That was all. No big event, no long speech. The next day, she cleaned only one corner of her room. The day after that, she read just 2 pages of a book. Another day, she drank more water instead of soda or sugary drinks. Small habits, tiny changes. In the beginning, she felt nothing. Emma still thought she was just an ordinary girl. She still made mistakes, but after a few weeks, something strange started happening. Her mind became calmer. Her room stayed cleaner. She started finishing small tasks on time. Her lost confidence slowly started returning. After many years, Emma finally felt control over her own life. One day, her friend laughed at her and said, "Do you really think waking up 10 minutes early or reading 2 pages will make you successful?" Emma stayed quiet because she had understood something very deep. Bad habits had destroyed her life slowly, so good habits would rebuild it slowly too. Months passed. Emma continued her small habits every single day. She stopped trying to become perfect overnight and focused only on becoming slightly better each day. 1 year later, Emma was a completely different person. It was not luck, and it was not a miracle. Those small habits had changed her identity. She became confident, healthy, and focused on her goals. People started asking her, "How did you do all this?" She always gave the same answer: "I changed the small things I repeated every day." This is the truth most people ignore. Your future is hidden inside your daily routine. If you waste small moments every day, your life slowly becomes weak. But But if you use those moments wisely, your life slowly becomes powerful. Reading for one day does not increase knowledge. But when you repeat these actions for months and years, they change everything. A tree does not grow in one night. First, it slowly strengthens its roots under the ground. Your habits work the same way. And remember one more thing. Small habits do not only change your actions, they change your mindset. When you keep the small promises you make to yourself every day, your self-belief starts growing. That belief becomes confidence, and confidence turns into discipline. But most people never reach this point because they give up too early. They want instant results. And when they do not see immediate change, they return to their old bad habits. That is why ordinary people remain ordinary. Emma's life changed because she understood that success is not one dramatic moment. It is the result of the quiet daily actions nobody notices. If you want to improve your life, start by becoming just 1% better every day. If you enjoyed this story, leave a like and subscribe to Hidden Soul Pathways for more inspiring and life-changing content.